Good morning everyone, it is Saturday, April 3rd, and it's looking as good as it can get here for Polkadot. Yesterday we pushed all the way to the $41 area, and technically we didn't push all the way up to the all-time highs where those wicks are at the $42.32 region, but the most important thing you need to pay attention to, which I think was the main catalyst for this uptrend we're having right now, is the fact that we closed above the previous close on February 21st. So if you want to know why this is significant and why it holds this kind of weight in terms of the price action, then make sure you stick around till the end of the video, as I will get into some details explaining the price action, and hopefully by the end of this you'll leave with a better understanding of the charts and start analyzing those charts on your own and become a part of the market. So if you like the sound of that, then please make sure that you like the video, subscribe, and join our Discord to get daily updates like this video and become a part of our community. So back to the charts here, you can see how Polkadot has been stuck in this range for the longest time after the peak we had on February 20th and 21st. This created a resistance ceiling where you can see how sellers were expected to now jump in and push the price down every time we get close to that ceiling. We jumped across it multiple times, but something here to note is the fact that buyers were coming in at a more aggressive rate every time we downtrend. You can see that the 21 EMA was acting as a very strong support where buyers are not waiting for too long after that downtrend to jump into the market and push the price of Polkadot back to higher levels. So you can see also from before here how the 21 EMA acted as support all throughout this run up we had from the beginning of the year on January all the way up to today. The EMA acted as a magnet. We created distance between it after we uptrend, we moved sideways for a bit, then meet it again only to find that support that pushes the price action back up to higher levels, and buyers would continue to drive the market upwards. So this formed with this nice ascending triangle where we have that straight resistance line, a support line that's slanted upwards. Usually a break above this triangle forecasts a continued upward movement, but Polkadot failed to break above here on March 24th, and that's when the whole market was basically selling off and Bitcoin was driving the price of the whole market down. So you can see how sellers were still in control here, and they drove the price down only to find that support at the $30 region where we previously broke out and saw this massive run up. So back to the point with the closing price being a significant driver in a lot of this price action. The closing price is significant for several reasons. Investors, traders, and financial institutions use it as a reference point basically to gauge the performance over a year, a day, a week, or even in a shorter time frame down to the 1 minute chart. Now, although the high or low may be above or below the opening and closing prices, they're usually regarded as noise caused by the price fluctuation of the market, and traders rely more heavily on the closing price rather than the high or low. And the closing price basically reveals important information because it indicates the buyer's confidence and overall strength in the market. So for example, if there was an uptrend during the day and the price closes at or near the daily high or near a previous high, or more specifically here with Polkadot near a previous closing price at a day where we got our all-time highs on February 20th and 21st, this can be interpreted as a sign of confidence, and many buyers will be willing to hold Polkadot. So that definitely attracts more buyers and eventually causes a breakout as the one we're having today. So what does all this mean now for Polkadot? So we're clearly seeing some sort of retracement now, which is okay after a whole week of constant uptrending. We do expect to pull back, and typically after a breakout as this one, we expect to pull back to retest this previous resistance and prove that it turned to a support now. If we look at the 4-hour here, you can see that retrace more clearly. I think Polkadot will at least get back to the $42.30 region as a first stop, which we're almost seeing here. But overall, this range we have here between the $40 and the $42.30 is what Polkadot will try to fall back to, at least to retest and prove that this is the new price that we will find support at. And I think Polkadot can easily go up to the $55 region after this retracement is completed. If we're extending the base of the ascending triangle and project where traders will aim to take profit after this breakout, I think that the $50 to $55 is more than realistic, and I think Polkadot has some good momentum to actually get us there. So these are my 2 cents on Polkadot. If you like this video, please comment, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you think I missed anything or you either disagree or agree with my analysis, then make sure that you put that in the comment section below so we can discuss it. And if you'd like to support us on Patreon, then definitely check out the link in the description below. It would definitely help out with the channel a lot. Thank you for watching and have a great day.